So welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today is May 21st, 2018, and today I'm announcing two winners, one for the Firestick 4K and one for the Mi Box S. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it. So big shout out to all the subscribers, everyone that participated in this giveaway. Of course, if you guys are new, please hit that subscribe button in the top right. A lot of cool content on this channel, different ways to cut the cable cord, unboxing, as well as tech reviews. So smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell as well. So I'm not going to keep you guys long on this one. It's going to be a very short video, but last video, you can see right here, we went over the Firestick as well as the Mi Box S. Purpose was to compare the two devices as far as the price, the different specs, as far as what you're getting, and of course, what the interface or the operating system looks and feel like. So those were the big comparisons, and what I wanted to point out is that yes, the Nvidia Shield is more powerful. Yes, it's king of the castle, we all know that, but if you guys don't have $200 or $150 to drop on Nvidia Shield, what's the next best thing? So you can see the price comparison is $59 for the Mi Box, $49 for the Firestick, and depending where you get it, guys, it's gonna make a difference. So for instance, you can all see that the Firestick is $49.99 on Amazon. The Mi Box, however, is $84, which is not the real price. Here's the Nvidia Shield, that's $169. But what I was pointing out is that the Mi Box is $84 on Amazon. Not sure why. I think it's Amazon just jacking up the prices to make you guys purchase the Firestick instead of the Mi Box. Whatever the case is, if you guys go to walmart.com, you will still find the Mi Box for $59. So for the Mi Box, if you guys are purchasing, Walmart's your place. If you're doing a Firestick, of course, Amazon is the best place to go ahead and purchase that. So the giveaway was not advertised, and the title was subtly put in the comment section. So basically asking you guys to pick which device is your favorite, and depending on which device you pick, you are automatically entered to win that device. So we're going to put the URL for this video in the random picker, and we're going to see which one to chooses first, and then we're going to go to the other device. So good luck to everyone. Let's go ahead and jump into the raffle. So here we are in the random picker, and if you guys are new, how this works is basically just paste the URL like I'm doing here. I'm going to go to get comments. You can see we have 24 unique comments, which means that if you commented multiple times, it's not going to put you in the drawing twice. So we have 24 unique comments, 24 entries, and we have two devices that we're giving away. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to shuffle for the first winner. So let's scroll down. I'm going to hit start. So the winner for the Firestick is Black Mamba 2K14, and he says Firestick for me. So congrats, Black Mamba. When you see this video, please hit me up on Facebook, hit me up on Twitter, send me an email, drop something. I need your information. That way I can get this over to you as soon as possible. So the next device we're giving away is the Mi Box, and we're just gonna shuffle it again, and hopefully we get a comment for the Mi Box. All right, so let's go ahead and pick for that second winner. So this one is Tim Windsor. He said, awesome review, brother. Myself would prefer the 4K Firestick about loading the Mi Box. Even though I like the Mi Box interface, keep the content coming. Have an awesome weekend. So thanks, Tim. Unfortunately, we're looking for a winner for the Firestick. So let's go ahead and try again. Let's try someone else. And look like we finally have a winner. Patrick Cadet, Mi Box all the way. So Patrick, looks like you're the lucky winner of the Mi Box. Of course, when you guys see this video, please get in touch with me as soon as possible. Try to get this device out to you, whether you guys rather have it PayPal or whether you want me to ship it out to you. I'll do either, depending on your location as well, guys. So big shout out to everyone in the comment section. Big shout out to Greg. Big shout out to Mark. So that's it for this video. If you guys have any questions, drop them in the comment section. As always, don't forget to hit the thumbs up on this video. Check out the full comparison in its entirety, guys. Very detailed, comparing the specs, comparing the interface, comparing a lot of cool aspects that might be helpful if you're on the fence with both devices. Thank you guys for watching again, and I'll catch you on the next one.